Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So Instagram have added one more new tools to professional dashboard. So whenever you will open your Instagram account and you will click on professional dashboard, here you can see, and you will see a new option added here under the tools as best practice. So what is this? And I will show you in my mobile screen in the details. And if you have not got this option, then maybe you have to wait for a few days. Just yesterday Instagram have introduced this officially. So I will show you in my mobile screen how this feature looks. So for this you have to open your Instagram account and click on professional dashboard. So here you will see the option as best practices inside your tools. So you have to click on this one. So here the Instagram is suggesting you what all you should try in your Instagram account to get more reach, more followers and lots of benefit that will help you to grow your Instagram account. For example, here in the creation section you can see what Instagram is saying. So they are suggesting to create at least 10 or more reels in a month in an average. That should be a minimum. At least you have to create a 10 reels. And if you are using a post or anything related to that, photos or anything, then you have to post it regularly. And your they are saying like a reels between 30 to 90 seconds get a better engagement. So reels which is having more than 90 seconds duration, which is not recommended to a new audience. You can try trending audio, relevant hashtag. So you can see the resolution of the video, it should be 720p and minimum frame rate should be 30 frames. So in this way you can check for the engagement, reach, monetization and much more. And Instagram is going to add much more options here in the best practices. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.